Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. I will show with you how to apply Kiwi codes or promo codes. So friends, this is the platform. When you make a purchase for booking on any trip, choose the item you want to book or purchase. Select this one, for example, and then you will redirect it to this page. After that, you should be go to, for example, this website, Oxy Deals. Just click show codes. For example, use this code or the discounts. Copy this one, and then you can go to directly to Kiwi. After that, when you make a purchase, for example, this one, select your items and then complete your process. This is for discounts, just as you can see here. Click continue, and then you will see the proceed checkout page. Write your promo codes. Just apply this one and then complete your process. Write your all details for your booking and then apply your codes from this section. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.